Hi friend, in previous tutorial I have discussed about container in Flutter. So this was the view of container. In current tutorial I am going to discuss about rows. So rows means suppose you wanted to align some view or container at horizontally. So how we do in Flutter, we need to use row. So suppose you wanted to align one view here and so on. So for that you need to use row. So let us check how to use rows in Flutter. So what we can do it here, first we can cut all this view what we have written for container. So while we are returning we need to write here row. Okay, inside row we have children, and in the children we have visit of array. Okay, visit of array. So in this visit of array we need to, if you want how many is a view inside the array, you can use it. So I'm same view I am going to paste it here. So let me run. What output is coming now? Yes, so it came here one view. Now I wanted to use one more view. So what I can do, put it here comma, then same paste it here. I just change here the text Flutter 1 and let me run it again. See, two view came, but the thing is the second view is getting cut from the right side. So for that what we can do, while this thing happen in text or anywhere or view, you need to do expanded view. So before center you need to use expanded open bracket, then child, under child we need to use whole the view. So here we need to close that expanded. Okay, and same thing I have to do for the second view. Expanded open bracket, then child, under child I am putting that view. So here I need to close that view. Okay, so I have used this expanded. So this now this time the view will not get cut. Now you can see both view are perfectly aligned. Okay, and these things are in center. Suppose you want this view at top, so what you need to do, just don't do anything, just remove this child and center. Okay, remove this bracket from here. Same thing you need to do for this one and center. Now let me run. You can see. Okay, so you can increase or decrease your height and width. See, so you can align more numbers of views here. Suppose you wanted to align one more view, so do one thing, just till here, copy and paste below. This is a visit array, so you can use number of views inside. I need to use here view 2, Flutter 2. Let me run it again. See, 3 view is here. Okay, so here margin we have given, we need to decrease that. Margin and padding, here also 5 I'm going to give 0, 5.0, here also 5.0 and 5.0. text size also you can reduce 10, 10, here in third view also. Now let us run perfectly. See, so you can use the rows for align the view horizontally. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you understood.